Bantwana basekhaya, molweni. Namhlanje I want you to understand ukubana if you have survived rejection after rejection, if you have survived humiliation after humiliation, if you have survived abuse after abuse, embarrassment after embarrassment, attack after attack, you are a big deal. Do you understand how much of a big deal you are? Hey, do you understand how much of a big deal you are? Anqondi ubuyaziqonda ukuba umkhulu kangakanani kwaye amandla onawo makhulu kangakanani. Mntana sekhaya, if you were these people not so long ago, ubulele bedini, nawe sowuvuma usithi hayi kuphelile ngami, it's over. You were tasting it death, even smelling it. You were in between the physical and the spiritual. You could feel it. Yet you are here. You survived that and you still don't see that you are a big deal. I'm here to tell you, you are a big deal. You are a force to be reckoned with. You are unshakable. You are not just a big deal because you made it. You are a big deal because you were not supposed to. Namhlanje xa ndiyongena kumagumbi okufundisa abantu, ndifuna ukuthi kuwe, if you have survived all these things that I'm saying right now, you are a big deal. Start making a big deal out of that. Suhamba njengegwala, suhamba njenge-victim. Qala uhamba ngamaqhaga, qala uhamba nawe uzibuza ukuthi kanti yintoni le nto ndiyithweleyo. Sasiphe sisibane singaka sikwazi ukudlula ezintweni ezinjeni. Ndasekhaya, you chose to be a villain and a hero of your own life, and you still don't see how much of a big deal is that? Do you know how much of a big deal you are spiritually, mentally, physically, bethuna, emotionally, especially in this realm esikuyo, ehlala inezinto that are choking us, izinto that strangle us, izinto ezivala amagama wethu, izibane ezinazo. Uthi wena uzisurvivile ezo zinto and still don't make a big deal out of that. Uhamba ujonge phansi, khawuqwanye mntase, khawuqwanye. This is not a motivation, this is a prophecy. Wake up. Ndiyayazi into osuke kuzo. I know what you have survived. The attacks that you have survived that were supposed to diminish you kuphele ngawe. Yet you are in the timeline of okudaliweyo kuyenzeka, makwenzeke kuyenzeka. Undlela mhlophe. Ndizokukhumbuza ke mntasekhaya ngalentsasa ukuthi you are a big deal. So start making a fuss out of that. Blow your own horn. Khawuzikhumbule. Zikhumbule. You survived. You survived a lot. Hey, mntana sekhaya, you are marked for awakening. That light you carry, you are marked for awakening. As we wrap up August, I want you never to forget that you are a big deal and you are marked for awakening. For awakening, remembering the soul mission you are here for. Mntana sekhaya seyifikile ilift endihamba ngayo ngaphandle, kodwa mandithi before ndihambe, khumbula you are a big deal. Everything is working out for me. Apho ndihamba khona ukukhokhela ukhanya, apho ndihlala khona ukukhokhela ukhanya, apho ndinyathela khona ukukhokhela ukhanya. Peace out, family. Love and light. Peace out, mama.